Hello everyone, my name is Gifty and welcome to my channel, The Dad's Delight. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this authentic Yam Etor, which is mashed yam. So here my yam has been peeled and washed already, and I add some warm water on a medium-high heat, and I'm adding my yam, some sea salt and some sugar to balance the seasoning. And I'm also adding some eggs and some Scotch bonnet, and we are going to cook it for about 30 minutes. So whilst our yam is boiling, we are going to infuse our palm oil for our Yam Etor. You can never go wrong with some palm oil in your Yam Etor. So you're going to infuse here, add some fresh rosemary, some bay leaves, some grains of SELIM, which is NWETIA, some shallot onion, then some salted cod, and we are going to fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now our palm oil is ready and we are going to set it aside for later. And now our yam has been boiling for about 30 minutes now. So we are going to take our peppers, our eggs separately, and we are going to take our yam. So you always check your yam and put some knife or fork through it. So when it gets through it, that means your yam is ready. So we're going to set our yam aside as well, and we are going to start on our Yam Etor. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So with this Yam Etor being a traditional meal, we are going with our earthenware, which is called asanka in Ghana. So I'm adding some shallots, some ginger, and our chili and some sea salt, and we are going to grind this till it's smooth. So as you can see, our peppers and onions are ready, and I'm going to add some peanut. If you don't have this, you can use a granite paste as well. So we're going to grind it till it's smooth as well. So as you can see, our peanut is ready. We are going to add our salted cod and some onions and some oil into our paste, and we're going to grind everything as well. So if you don't have this earthenware, you can use your food processor for this process. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So I just season it with a bit of sugar to balance all the salty flavors in our mixture. If you don't have that, you can use some herrings or some smoked prawns as well. And I'm telling you, this Yam Etor is going to be delicious. So now we are going to add our yam, and we're going to grind it with my grinder, which is called tapeli in Ghana. If you don't have that, you can use your masher and mix everything in a bowl. So as you can see, our yam is all grind and smooth, and look at that beautiful color from the palm oil. So I'm just adding extra palm oil because our palm oil is so tasty and flavorful. And now our Yam Etor is ready. As you can see, I'm just showing you how the texture and everything is. Look at that, so smooth and nice and tasty. You need to try this recipe out. So here I'm just garnishing it with some peanut, and you know our egg, we boiled some egg, and I'm just going to put it in as well. And you know you can't go wrong with some avocado on your Yam Etor. So I just cut some avocado and I'm just garnishing it with it. And thank you for subscribing to my channel and always supporting the Dad's Delight. And please don't forget to comment down below. And I just added some extra onion and palm oil. Thank you to all my lovely subscribers and viewers. Bye bye.